Hello everyone, this is Teddy the Roofer. It is our repair. We finished the repair. We replaced the shingle around the skylight. We replaced the step flashing, the big brown flashing. And we create this small cricket so the water come from there. Gonna hit here, you're gonna be kick it this way, and it will not pull no more there. So the water come from the top of the skylight. You're gonna get here, then here, and go out. So this is one piece all the way here under this. You see this is one piece here, all the way here, and here is step flashing under this. Come here. Yeah, you can see that step flash in there. Thank you for watching this video. This is Teddy Escobar with the Team Exteriors LLC.